Today we are making a video about airplane story. Yay! Let's go. We need to wait in line. Hey, you skipped the line. You're skipping the line.
Give a damn about it.
Yo, let's go. I can't get in.
Hell? I am in.
You're in?
Are you in?
Yeah.
Dude, I missed the game. I'm outside.
Can you move? Can you move? But where's my seat? I don't know what the number is. That 177. Wait a minute. Am I first class?
Where's F3?
Where is 177?
No,
Not
F3. F15.
I need to go. Am I first? Where did?
Is this F?
You know what? I'm just gonna go across seats and see if it's my seat.
Found it.
That's your seat? Wait a minute.
Wait, show me yours. Show me yours.
Look.
Come.
What?
Should be one of these. Found it. Over here. In the middle. You got the middle seat.
Okay. I'm gonna dance around meanwhile I do the I'm waiting around. Wait, no, go down, sit down. Oh my god, I was about to die. Wah! Ding dong, good da 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 da. It does not make sense. Yo, let's go. Ding dong, goody da.
Sit down.
Ah! Wait a minute, how am I gonna get mine? I already got mine. I ain't eating it. I ain't eating it. I don't trust it. I don't trust this sandwich. I literally have a sword. The security did not check me in. I literally have two swords, one on my back and one on my
Security, do you not see what I'm wearing right now?
I know. Is this security dumb or something? Security's dumb.
Yes, they allow me to bring.
They allow me to bring two swords.
I didn't even eat the sandwich.
Same here. Bro, I'm going to save you.
I'm gonna save myself.
Bro, imagine you save yourself. That would be funny.
Where's my medication?
He saved you.
Found it.
He saved you.
Yes, the weird looking guy saved me.
I'm
The
getting.
bald guy.
I actually ate my sandwich. It tastes disgusting. Don't eat it. Do not eat it. It tastes disgusting.
I already tried it one time.
You think it's bad? I'm going to sleep. Bye bye. I sleep on the floor. I wake up.
Are you still here?
I don't know. No. Ding dong, goody goody goo, ya wada hello. Ding dong, goody goody goo, ya wada hello. What the hell happened? It appears that we lost energy as we hang on to fix it. Wait a minute, what is that out the window? What are you? What are you? What are you? An idiot sandwich! I will, what? Snakes! Get me out! Get me out! Let me out!
Damn. You have an ugly face to the point, not even a mother could love.
I mean, that's true.
Are those snakes? Man, those look like twigs.
They look like... Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we'll be safer there.
Oh well, someone died.
I'm just gonna dance here. Let's go,
Dude, I only have a grenade launcher and a assault rifle.
I literally have 2 swords. One on my back, one on my wrist.
Two people already died.
I don't know. No. How about not talking about the scary thing? So you can sleep. Then you can be staying stuck in here forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Exactly. That's why we're sleeping. This is my plan, guys. This was my plan. Now we go outside. I'm in the sink of it. Everybody knows. Where's back up? What do you mean thank God? Why are you thanking God of that monster? But actually, good. Bad news and good news. Please give me the bad news first. I only want the bad news. Bro, why?
Yeah, I think we can see that.
I want the bad news first. Oh, go to your seat. Oh, don't.
Get one?
I'm dead. Who took 2? Who took 2? Someone took 2.
Now I revive you.
Wait, now I'm A6. Pretty sure here.
My dad has abandoned me since I was a baby, and today I am finding him.
That's C. That's D, E, G.
Man, stay away. Stay the hell away from me.
Why am I screaming? I mean, that kind of is relating to me, but why am I screaming in Roblox, bro? What did I do?
That's it.
I don't know if we're gonna say. I don't know if you are the one that saved yourself. I am not. I don't know. I'm saying blue.
Stay away from him.
Oh hell no! Why are you following me? Run.
He's
That's
dead.
not my fault. That's not my fault. I still did not find my secret. A6.
I know where your seat is.
What? Where's my mom?
Where are you from? Come on.
Whatever.
Here's your seat, gosh darn.
A6.
And then we have the bigger nuke.
Where the heck are they? Where the heck did they go?
Ooh.
I don't care. The captain most likely is dead. No, the captain is probably dead. I'm not gonna lie. He's probably dead. I'm not gonna lie. How are we gonna alert him? Exactly. What are you gonna do? Sleep? Cry? Captain might be in trouble. You don't need the code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Heavy up.
Why is your voice so weird?
I don't know. How do you look for it? Where do you look for it? Up on the cabinets? I think I found it.
I found it before. I found it before you said. Well, before they said look for it.
Then just stop it. Come on.
Please put the code.
What's the? You don't put the code. You don't
Please put it.
Yeah, how? There's no
Maybe
code.
we grab it?
Exactly.
Let's click on it.
Exactly. I don't care. I don't care. Captain's probably
By
dead.
the way, here's the code in the back.
Probably dead
You're
or
wondering.
unconscious. Yep. I don't care. I have a paper. You will pay for what you've done. I don't care. You stupid. You think what you're an accident, but you're not. Cause you're dumb. I brought you, all of you. You mean only the two of us?
Holy smokes, is it me or are we gonna walk with her?
I'm not getting a. And now. It's time to die. What are you even doing? See you in the afterlife. Did he just teleport?
Yes, he just did.
Bro, I just saw. The captain is unconscious.
What? The captain is on what?
Okay, the pain is farming. Maybe press buttons. I don't know. They're all green. Bro, it's 2 seconds. How did you already find it?
My ways.
We did it. What do you mean we did it? Only me and you. I mean, that's technically me and you. But you pressed the button, not me. I can't take any credit. Bye-bye. I didn't want to buy a Just go with the car or boat. You don't need to go plane. Sure, it take longer, but I don't care. All we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help.
Wait, come here. Oh, wait. I'm trying to go up there.
You could just hide if he. What are we getting? Okay, good. Emergency phone. I don't even know where. Is this an emergency phone? What the hell? Oh, I found it.
No, it's inside here. Oh, no.
Don't worry, we'll get here. I'm in no time. We are okay. Maybe not like 2 people died on the way.
3 people actually.
3 people.
Are you serious right now?
How can you take control of a plane that's literally like 1 billion meters above you? I ain't doing it.
I ain't.
Mommy. Wait, 3, 2, 1, Mommy. 3, 2, 1, Mommy. You know what? I'll do it.
And we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Come here. Think about it. Come, dude. Don't wait. No. It was better if we just let us. You were gonna die.
I am driving. Okay, everyone. I got this.
I'm moonwalking out of here. I'm moonwalking. No. Let me out.
Help! Don't kill me. It's still on autopilot. Are you
Let me out. Sir, wake up.
Wake up.
I don't trust your armor.
Destiny has already been written. Last change was the two.
I know it was a bad idea for you to drive the plane.
And we will rule underworld for eternity. No.
I knew it. I knew it was a bad idea.
Humans are so easy.
Dude, I think he's
This is not
stupid.
the last time you'll see me.
We didn't make Kevin into a juice. Oh my god.
It's good. Wait, he said it was not the last time we'll see him. What did he mean?
There you are, Megan. Just come and accept your fee.
Who cares? Let's get back home now.
You can blend me out.
I'm about to throw up.
Arms okay? Clearly not. Okay, now I gotta just put some flour in you like this. Okay, like that.
Yo, victory.
And I'll put you over in this.
Imagine I said a yes. I would be like, you know what? Yes. Bah! Okay, anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. Wait for next video, which is probably the same day, but later. I don't know. So, yeah, bye-bye.